Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Southchase local and long distance movers near me. Hire our skilled movers for interstate, local, and intrastate moving services. The federal and local agencies in charge of all relocations have a fantastic working relationship with us. We've even put insurance arrangements in place to protect the interests of our clientele. They cover liability risks both before and after the transfer of our client's property. We hire only the most dedicated movers and drivers to ensure that your goods arrive safely at their final location. You won't have to worry about being taken advantage of because all of our facilities are cheaply priced. Local moves are usually less expensive than long-distance moves. At $30 to $40 per hour, our local moves are affordable. You can be confident that when you use our services, you will receive your money's worth because we only hire licensed and hardworking movers who are committed to their tasks. We're used to dealing with busy cities and towns, so we'll have your belongings delivered quickly. Our local movers will walk you through the process of making the best options and planning your move. If you're still not sure, get some opinions from our previous clients. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Southchase moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.